got the yellow cheek. You see that? The cheek is yellow. Oh, almost fall off.
I think open the door, she will fly away.
Yeah, very tired. Yeah, bird, better watch out to cook, don't see you. We eat tomorrow bird.
Stay here, you will get short.
Yeah, almost 8 hours bird, then we're there. Yeah. Back to your friends, your buddies. We had one time with the previous chief, we had we go from Denmark to Holland, from Tiburon. We had all small birds and they all go in the mast, the yellow mast. There's a hole there above Obelix, you see it? And they all go in. And then when we sail back to Tiburon, there were more. They're just hitchhiking. Stowaways. Nice colors. It's in the yellow.
And here is better, 3 planes. Like cloth. Except it's not so slight. Okay.
I don't know if they drink fresh water, eh? I don't think so.
Why?
They drink fresh water?
On guts drink fresh water.
This looks also like not like a seabird. Ja, Holland is een aalscholder voor hem. He's migrating. He tried to escape Norway. He got sea legs.